Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got SheModern, old meets new, and our theme was ocean and sky. I've started off with IMK bio base, or it's the sticky one. It's the sticky base because I want this stuff to stick good because I didn't file these tips down. I'll be using Square Hue, and this is Allegro, and this is going to be my base color. And typically for a base color, I would normally just do one coat, but today I ended up doing two because I'm just kind of crazy like that. I was polishing. Excuse the crunching in the background. Cotton's eating a treat. So here we go with our second coat of Allegro. I sure do hate that Square Hue is no longer doing their subscription box or making polishes because these were really good. I'm going to top these with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat because we've got a lot of playing to do. Got some SheModern playing to do. There we go, kept that. I'll be using that Allegro again, and then Eau de Honey. These are both really pretty blues. One's a real light blue, and the other one's kind of a medium blue. I do have a makeup wedge that I've cut down, and I have dampened it with water and squeezed the excess out. I always do this when I do a gradient. And it's going to take a little while for me to get this because these nails are longer than mine. So I'm having to use a bigger hunk of sponge, which means I'm having to use a bigger hunk of polish. So we're just going to get this all layered up. And I'm going to go back up to the top and add some more because, it's been sitting there for a second while I did the bottom. And I am going to just do a gradient, kind of a straight across gradient. I'm not doing as much up and down to blend it too much because I am kind of wanting a line to this with our theme being ocean and sky. My sky is the real light blue and the darker blue is my ocean. So this is a new collab group over on the Instagram. I will have hopefully links to everybody over for Instagram. Not everybody's going to do a video like I do, but I've told y'all before, if I'm doing a mani for a collab anywhere, I'm going to share it with you guys over here on the YouTubans. But I will try to have links for everybody down below, or some way you can go check them out. And I really do like this where you can use older products, newer products, mix and match. It's all good, right? So on my gradient, I'm just going to go around and go over them until I'm happy with the opacity. And I'm going to have to load this sponge up a little bit more. And I do apologize for this video being way long because, see, here I'm making messes that I got to clean up. This is not the only mess I make today. But it's a very detailed manicure. It's got a lot of layers to it. You got base polish, and then you got, stamping and gradients, and just got a lot going on. So I did speed everything up. I always speed all my videos up a little bit, but some parts of this is sped up way more. And it's just because, time. But I don't want to cut out anything in case I might do something that you might spot and be like, oh, hey, that's how that's done, or how did she get that? She didn't just do one round of gradient and get that opacity. No. So I did try to share all of it with you. But I don't want you to have to be here for, an hour and a half just to watch me do one manicure. So there we go. Tapping. And I'm going to top this with the Pro FX again. First of all, using a top coat on this layer, it helps smooth out the gradient. Oh, there's the Sailor Collection 07 and a Maniology scraper and stamper. And here is Pearl Blue by SheModern Sticky Stamp and Polish. And we're going to start with that one today. But back to the whole why I'm doing a top coat. That way, if I mess up on any stamping, I might be able to get it up and, restamp over it without having to redo the whole nail. I will be putting these nails on my fingertips at the end, And I'm trying to put these little waves like down just on the ocean part of my manicure. This got a lot of stamping today. I mean, you guys, there's just a lot going on with this one. So I tried to recycle some of that extra stamp. And then I cleaned my stamper off on a lint roller. And my plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And I am planning on moving my room around, my man cave room around a little bit. So maybe we won't be having the ceiling fan lights shining on the stamping plate. The struggle bus is still chasing me, y'all. I am still working on the lighting, where I need to put my desk, where I need to do everything. So that one I was only able to get one out of. I must have gone a little higher on it. But that's okay, because we got plenty of time. And I love these sticky stamping polishes. They give you plenty of time to work on whatever you're doing, whatever design, whether it's just straight up stamping or pigment powders or foils. I get to recycle some more here. Love it when I can do that. I'll be using Maniology MXM057. And I'm going to start off with the sun and cloud image using the pearl orange sticky stamping and the opaque white sticky stamping polishes. And this is all of my sky. I didn't go too deep off into it. I just, because I have so much going on with this one. Making sure I didn't get any of that orange polish on that brush before it went back into the bottle. I did one clean swipe so that I could leave my clouds white and my sun orange. And lovely sticky stamping polishes. I can take my time cleaning up the excess that I don't want to transfer to one of the nails. There we go. Here we gotta figure out which nail to put it on. And I'm kind of rolling it side to side. Tap, tap, making sure nothing's flying away. I'll be using Pearl Lime and Pearl Green sticky stamping polishes next. This is a SheModern thing, so I'm putting a little bit of the light green and the dark green down. I want both colors on this image when I stamp it. This is like my ocean plants. So here we go. We're going to pull that up. I warned y'all, there's going to be a lot of stamping going on in this one. And I know the lights are blaring and you can't really see what's going on, but you'll get to see what I'm doing here in just a minute. I have excess left on my scraper, so I'm just going to run that across the stamping image again and pick it up. Do my little cleanup again before I put this on the next nail. I was really excited to get to do another SheModern collab. I do love me some SheModern. I'm really excited to see what else she comes out with. She's always coming out with new colors, new pigments, new stuffs, and I really do like that. She's got a heart of gold too. She normally sends extras when you place an order with her, so Miss Tina is awesome. So there we go. We're going to recycle some polish again. That one just kind of smeared them all in together, which is just fine. They will all look lovely on the nail. Get some of that excess up. And I'm worried about that bottom piece, and I don't know why, because it wouldn't have even, it's not even going towards the nail. But anyway. Let me use some excess from that stamp to go with that little bitty pink nail. And now I'm going in, and this is the SheModern Black Sticky Stamping Polish. I don't know why I didn't show the bottle. But now I'm going to go in and put my, like, animals, my sharks and my mermaid tails and ships and everything on my ocean. So we're topping off our ocean here. Like I said, lots and lots of stamping. So you guys know I love this one because it's big time playing. Lots and lots of playing going on here. lots of cleanup with the tape, which I'm telling y'all, having this, and I wish I could use my sticky lint roller, but I always end up getting too close to the image and pulling up the image, so I just have to do the tape. Sometimes I even mess up with the tape. And there we go with one mermaid tail. How cute. There are two of those on this plate, and I do end up using both of them because I really like them. I think they're cute. And this is like the sea dragon, or Nessie, for like a Loch Ness monster kind of thing. But I wanted to add it because I knew this was an image I might not ever use on anything else. So we're going to put it in this one. Cute. It's like the sea dinosaur. And here's the little ship. I'm going to use that one too. Out of frame almost all the way. Got a lot going on this desk though. Let's put our little ship on there. And then now for the last mermaid tail. And I'll be honest, here in just a little bit, I'm going to make a mistake and I'm going to tell you about it. So I'm cleaning up my plate with pure acetone and then wiping it with a lint-free roller and my mat. I clean off everything before I put it away, even my little scraper card. But I'm going to use a smudge-free top coat, and I forgot that I had used the sticky stamping polishes, and I went in a little fast on this, so there is a little bit of smearing, and it's not the smudge-free top coat's fault. It's my fault because I didn't wait long enough. Some of the nails were totally fine because they were dry longer. Once that is dry, I'm going to be topping everything with some Seche Vite and seal this mani in, and it will be finished. Very, very cool. I'll be using these little nail stickers to apply these to my nails. I've already got all of them on except for one, but I wanted to show y'all me doing it. And I put the little tab down and rub it down really well. In fact, I'm going to get Woody involved. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And just kind of get that sticking to the nail before I pull that top piece of plastic off to reveal the sticky side. There we go. I am going to slide this up in here and stick it on. And make sure it's straight. And then push, 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 push. You do need to hold this down for a few seconds. Really good. And there it is. I hope you enjoyed my manicure. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.